We'll guide you through how to review tasks in Asana efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to asana.com. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the project you want to review by clicking on it from the left sidebar. You'll see a list of tasks in your project. To review a specific task, click on it to open the Task Details pane on the right side. Here, you can see all the relevant information including the task description, due date, assigned members, and any attachments or comments. If you need to update the task, you can change the due date or assignee by clicking on the respective fields. You can also add comments or attach files using the options available in the task pane. To mark a task as complete, simply click on the checkmark beside the task name. If you need a broader view, switch to the calendar or timeline view by clicking on the respective tabs at the top. This helps to see how tasks align over time. For a detailed review, use the Progress tab to check the overall status of your project and make any necessary adjustments. Remember, you can use filters to sort tasks by due date, assignee, or custom fields to refine your review process. This will help you prioritize tasks more efficiently. Once you're done reviewing, ensure all tasks are up to date and team members are informed of any changes by mentioning them in comments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.